back to the roadways. You need to listen up if you drive a new Harley-Davidson motorcycle. Over 82,000 Harleys are being recalled because of an issue that increases the risk of a crash. The recall affects certain 2018 to 2024 Softail motorcycles. According to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, there is concern that a part on the rear shock preload adjuster may break. As a result, the rear tire may become damaged, and that could lead to the risk of a crash or death. Owners will be notified by mail by June 16th, and shops will repair the piece for free.